Are you facing challenges in your fashion business? It's time to address the common pitfalls and take a transformative steps towards building a successful supply chain. Today, let's discuss the importance of adopting an end-to-end process for your fashion business and the detrimental effects of relying on a patchwork solution. Many fashion entrepreneurs find themselves caught in the web of challenges that hinder their growth and profitability. These challenges include inefficient production, poor inventory management, inconsistent branding, limited sustainability practices. Let's dive into some of those in a little deeper. Inefficient production. Without a well-defined end-to-end process, production becomes chaotic and disorganized. This leads to delays, poor quality control, and ultimately, dissatisfied customer. Poor inventory management, inaccurate demand forecasting, lack of visibility, and improper inventory management practices result in excess inventory or stockouts, causing revenue loss and missed opportunities. Inconsistent branding. Without a cohesive branding strategy, your fashion business may struggle to differentiate itself from competitors. Failing to capture an attention and loyalty of your target audience. Limited sustainability practices. In today's conscious customers landscape, sustainability is a must. Failing to integrate sustainable practices without the supply chain can damage your brand reputation and miss out on eco-conscious customers. What solutions you would say we should put in place? The primary solution would be adopting an end-to-end process. To overcome these challenges, it is critical to embrace an end-to-end process for your fashion business. This holistic approach ensures that every step from design to distribution is carefully planned and integrated, creating a seamless and efficient supply chain. Here is why it's essential. Streamlined operations. An end-to-end process eliminates inefficiencies and bottlenecks, enabling smooth operations and timely delivery of highly quality products to your customer. Improved inventory management. By understanding the entire flow of your supply chain, you gain better control over inventory, optimize stock levels, and reduce the risk of excess or inefficient inventory. Consistent branding. With an end-to-end process, you can align your branding strategies across all touch points, ensuring a consistent brand experience that resonates with your target audience. Sustainable practices. Integrating sustainability throughout your end-to-end process allows you to reduce waste, ethically source materials, and meet the growing demands of eco-conscious consumer. You want to build your success story? By embracing the end-to-end process, you create a solid foundation for building a successful fashion business. It empowers you to tackle challenges heads-on, to be proactive versus reactive, optimize operations, and deliver exceptional value to your customer. Remember these key steps. Design with intention, incorporating modular approaches and customer feedback like industry leaders, Adidas and Rothy's. Implement data analytics and machine learning, learning from successful brands like Stitch Fix and Zara to optimize their supply chains. Prioritize sustainability throughout the entire product cycle, inspired by ethical practices of Patagonia or Stella McCarthy. Don't fall into a trap of patchwork solution that only offers short-term fixes. Instead, invest in developing a comprehensive end-to-end process that sets the stage for long-term success. Take a leap and build a robust supply chain that propels your fashion business to new heights success. If you need help, feel free to schedule a brainstorming call with me, and I'd love to strategize around your challenges. Otherwise, please drop a comment below with your feedback and thoughts. Stay tuned for more.